We're fixing a honey bound hive. Before we start, please like and subscribe. It really will help the channel. Let's get straight into it. I fed them too much. That's what's happened. We gave them 4 litres of feed the other day when we fixed the feeder. Next day they drank it all. Gave them 4 litres again. They've drunk it all. All the comb was drawn out, but they filled it. They filled all our new comb with nectar. Now we wanted the new comb for eggs for the queen to lay in, so we get good winter bees. You need to get some of the drone comb out, put fresh foundation in, and hopefully we'll have enough room for the queen to lay eggs, and everything will be happy days. I'm going to swap 2 frames. We're going to put in this freshly built up frames of foundation. Then take out 2 of the old freshly drawn honeycomb frames, put these ones in, jobs are good in. Let's get suited up, get down there. It's going to be a quick one today. I'm going to get the lid off, get the feeder off, get those no frames in, jobs are good in, close it back up. Here we go, let's get the lid off, we're all suited up, let's go. No dead bees. I filled it up with hay the other day just to make sure. Let's get this off. You're going to take the 3rd frame out here and the 2nd frame out here. If you think I'm doing this not quite right, comment in, because I'd like to know. This is only the 1st time. I think I fed them too much. We'll find out. This is the 3rd frame from the front. It's heavy with nectar on the back. Capped honey at the top, but the entire frame is filled with nectar. I want this to be filled with eggs. This is the 2nd frame from the back. Look at that. All fully drawn. The back the same, all fully drawn. It's full of nectar. Let's shake these bees off. Swap them out. Well, there we go. We swapped out the frames. Swapped out for these 2 frames of stores, fully capped. Hopefully now they won't need feeding till next year. If they do it well. Hopefully now they can lay eggs, get some brood in there for some winter bees. Now if you think I shouldn't have done this, comment, because I'd like to know. Thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing.